Today, you don't need any skill to get on the water. Just by a foil and a wing, it's considered to be less difficult than kiting or windsurfing. And with the right approach and equipment, beginners wingers can often start riding within a few days to a few weeks of practice. Windsurfing in 2008 was a testament to the human spirit's ability to adapt, learn, and excel in harmony with nature's forces. It was a golden age for many enthusiasts who cherished the memories of carving through the water with nothing but a board, a sail, and a world of skill. 20 years ago, outdoor adventure was doing the hard stuff, not the 2024 easy way.